New construction completion estimated to be the end of July 2022. This beautiful single-family home is just minutes to the Chesapeake Bay beaches, Naval Amphib Base, and everything Shore Drive has to offer. Open floor plan with 9 feet ceilings throughout the first floor. Family room with gas fireplace opens to the kitchen with a large island and stainless steel appliances, stove, dishwasher and microwave. Beautiful granite counters in the kitchen, butler's pantry and in all full bathrooms. Formal dining room / flex room and a powder room rounds out the downstairs of the home, to include LVP flooring. Plush carpet on the stairs, upper hall and in the bedrooms. Second floor guest bathroom with LVP flooring. The primary ensuite has a separate tiled shower / tub and double bowl vanity and tile flooring. 2-car insulated garage, and insulated garage door, with a door opener. Pictures are of a similar home.